Hi everybody, sorry about the lateness of this video, but I've been suffering a bit. Sinusitis doesn't take prisoners. But anyway, what I'm going to be doing this morning, thinking isn't on the agenda today, is I'm going to be mounting the the panel box that will house the Arduino and the driver shield. Because I've got all three axes, X, Y and Z, on one driver shield. And we're going to be mounting it there. The hole on the side is for the motor cables, and there will be a big enough hole in the bottom to take the USB cable for the Arduino. I've already marked out where the holes go, there and there, and what I'm going to do now is pilot hole them and then screw the plastic box into position. Okay, I'll bring you back when I've done that. You can see there's the control panel in place, and I haven't drilled the holes for the motor cables properly, or the USB cable. I'll do that when I'm ready to mount the Arduino. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting a mount on the Z-axis so that I can put a pen in, a marker pen, so that I can show the XY axis moving, and I'm hoping to do that in probably a couple of days' time. So you'll have to bear with me at the moment. I'll get videos up as quickly as I can do them. Okay peeps, till the next one.